Shalom, people, brothers and sisters. This is your brother Wasil Bay coming at you live. Uh, just letting you know about New York child support. Let's go and get to this lecture. New York, people. New York. Big city of schemes. Not dreams, because I don't want them type of dreams they pulling out there. Them type of nightmares. Now look, I went to New York Child Support Enforcement. Look what it says. It says Child Support Enforcement Program has legislative authority. Does it say judicial? Huh? No. And I'm finna prove you why. We're gonna talk about oaths today too. How you ain't supposed to take an oath. Look what it says. Program. Do you know what a program is? A program is something to teach you how to behave. That's what a program is. Okay? Look at that. To obtain medical coverage through a variety of administrative spells. Procedure means spells. That's what that means. They make the shit sound so good, and you be like, oh well, I gotta do this. Ain't nobody putting no gun to your head telling you to do that shit. You know what I'm saying? So check this out. Administrative spells can be put into action without going to play some games. Right? Right? Look at that. Y'all see that? What that said? Spells to collect current or overdue child support. Does it say to judicial proceed spells? No, administrative spells. And who is the minister? We go back to North Carolina. Minister spells on you. Described below. Income execution. Why don't say earnings? They cannot say that because only a man can earn and corporations can income. Right? Check it out. If somebody tell you can't get off of child support or you don't want to pay child support, watch out for them because they lying. They are fucking liars. I'm going to show you why. Spells to collect overdue child support. What is that word? Okay. Now look at this. Now if this thing ain't a secret, I don't know what it is. If y'all can't read behind the lines, look at that. The no mans of delinquent non-janitors. That's what janitor mean. For your janitor, you accept that shit. Pay rents. Maybe. It said it will, did it? It said maybe. Maybe. Do you know what the word intercept means? Intercept means to steal. Like basketball and football, it's the same thing, it's to steal. So they gonna steal your winnings. It said it may be intercept, rob. If you think I'm lying, you wanna hear this? Hold on. What does intercept mean?
Intercept, obstruct someone or something, so as to prevent them from continuing to a destination.
Look at that. Stop. Head off, cut off, catch, seize, grab, snatch, obstruct, impede, interrupt, block, check, detain, ambush, challenge, waylay. The legal society is a religion, people. Look at here. I'm going to show you how crazy this is. It said New York State driver's license may be suspended. Did it say it will? No, it said it may be. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Liens, look at that. Tax referrals. Procedural to obtain health insurance coverage. Come on, we're finna get down to nitty gritty. You know what I'm saying? Brothers and sisters in New York, y'all supposed to be smart. The smartest place on this planet, man, but I don't know. I have no idea. It's time to do some checks and balances. Y'all all smart, but look at this. You see that? A magistrate is an officer. Public officer. You see that? You probably can't read that because my camera too small. Forgive me. You know what I'm saying? But look at this. What's that word right here? Certification, right? Why you gotta be certified for something that you supposed to know? Huh? Huh? Well, we gonna put it. Look what I found, people. Public officers law. Look at that. Didn't they say it was legislative, not judicial? Huh? I'm gonna point out, zoom in on some key points. Look at that. Look at that. Business or professional activities by state officers and employees and party officers. Hey, look, appearance by a person convicted of a crime of corruption. Man, y'all got all the tools, man. I can't live in New York, though. You know what I'm saying? They'll get mad at me. No, I take that back. I apologize. They'll get mad at I. Because ain't no such thing as me or you. It's I. You see that? Let me let y'all read something. Let me give y'all a teaser. Hold on. Whoa, look at that. Licensing. Term licensing shall mean any state activity other than before the division of corporations and state records in the Department of State respecting grant, denial, renewal, revocation, enforcement, suspension, annulment, withdrawal, recall, cancellation, amendment of a license, permit, or form of permission conferring a right or privilege to engage a profession, trade, occupation, or any business or activity regulated by regulatory agencies defined herein, which absence of such license, permit, or other form of permission would be prohibited. Look what a legislative employee means. Look at that. Y'all see that? Look at that. Hey man, this ain't my shit. Religious matter, people. Look at that. Look at that. New York, New York, big city of schemes. Man, y'all need to get them people up out of that office, man. Get him out. Get him out. They ain't protecting y'all, they protecting their interests. Look at that. Y'all reading that? Huh? The governor said he the ruler. Look, do a definition on governor. It means a ruler. And he's elected. So y'all voted for y'all God. Right? And the Bible said, and ye are all gods. And, you know what I'm saying? Christ. We are all Christ. He said we can do greater things than he. Why would you be a follower when you can do great things? I don't know, man. People have been programmed. City agency. Y'all go read that shit. Look it up, man. Political party chairman. Look at that shit. Relative. I don't never say I got relatives. I got kin. They said we slow down here down south, but you know what? We know when game comes. You know what I'm saying? Can't nobody fast talk me without a game. I'm gonna say slow down. Slow down. That's why the turtle always beat the rabbit, right? Right. Y'all see that? No statewide elected official, member of legislature, employee, full-time salary state office employee shall receive directly, indirectly, or enter into any agreement expressed or implied for any compensation in whatever form for the appearance of rendition or services by himself or against another interest of the state in relation to case proceedings, applications, or other matter before the transaction of business by himself or another with the court of claims. Read that, man. Look at that. Look at that. That's my brother, old King, the King Simon. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do a part 2. I'm gonna really break this stuff down. This just a little ski taste, you know. Look, trader profession. This just debunked all the child support right with them words right there. Trading profession. Huh? Wait a minute. No state elected official officers. Look at that. The obtaining of grants of money or loans. It says of. Of is a prepositional phrase. Go see what the word of means. Hold on. I'm finna get to the nitty gritty and I still gotta do the lecture. I'm just showing you some things. Okay? Slow down, brother YCL. Slow down. Permitted activity shall mean generally any activity performed at request of the Attorney General or the Attorney General's designee, or in case where the state agency is not represented by Attorney General, the General Counsel of such state agency, including without limitations. Look at that. No party officer while serving as such shall be eligible to serve as a judge. I want to show y'all what the word appearance means. Okay? Legislative employee. Did y'all ask them for their financial statements? Huh? I'm telling you, because they got an EIN number. Look at that. Lobbyists. That's all. That's some, jibber jabber. Income. I'm trying to find where it says appearance, people. Wait a minute. Here it is. Look at that. Appear or appears, shall I mean to appear by likeness, picture, or voice. Did it say take your ass down to the courtroom? Huh? It didn't say that, and I did it. This their shit in your state, and they laughing at you. Let me go and get to this lecture. Let me get to this lecture, people. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. Okay. Look at that. Take and file an oath of office. Public officers who are state officials will also need to file a related certification, because these dumbass dudes don't know what the fuck to do. They don't know the law. They know legal. Legal and law is two different things. Cause look how I say it. Law, legal. That's two different. Like you got two sons, right? If you have twins, you still gonna have to give them two different names, right? Right. Look at that. File their oath. Look, are required to take and sign oath. Look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Certificate. Now look what certificate means, especially a document which attests someone's authorization to to practice or do something. Y'all see that? Especially a document which attests someone's authorization to practice or do something. Practice or do something. Right? Certificate. Right? Look at that. They tell you how to get their old people? Huh? Y'all did? Have y'all done that? Have y'all done it? Who was the service? You or them? Did you swear an oath? Do you have an oath? Huh? Do you have service and duties? No, they do, because they took the oath to serve you. Program. Let's get on the word program. To train to behave in a predetermined way. Oh, they your daddy, huh? Yeah. When you vote, and you say you're a citizen, brother Barack Obama is your daddy. Look at that. Officer. A service, a duty. Huh? Huh? Go look at their oaths, and it says they solemnly swear, right? It's a religion. Didn't I say that legal society now is a religion? Huh? You take your ass up in that courtroom, you're going to lose damn near every time if you got your P's and Q's. You know what I'm saying? If you got your ducks in a row, you're going to win. If not, no. You're not gonna win. Go in there and speak in their language. Go take your ass in there and speak in their language. You see what happens. Look at the Bible, 16:11. It say what? Huh? Who? Now let me take it back. I gotta go to this video on El Stupido. Okay?
Boom, what up, y'all? Hey, so here I am. It's after court. I'm not in jail. I'm fucking right here, dude. So let me tell you how this shit went down. They called my name, and I went up. Alright, and...
Okay, they did what? They called his dumbass name, right? What did I tell you what name means? No man. So he claimed the name because the state is your beneficiary through their birth certificate. Dump, that's another
The sheet that they gave me before, the one that said obligor on the bottom that I had to fucking sign my name over, which I didn't sign. She started reading me all of my rights that were on that sheet. So she started reading me all my rights, and she goes, "Do you understand all your rights?" And I said, "Yes, I do, Your Honor."
And do you understand? Yes, I do, Your Honor. And then the El Stupido gonna call her Your Honor, and he said he understand. I don't understand nobody's shit. I understand and overstand.
And she goes, "You're here for contempt of non-payment of child support for non-payment. How would you like to proceed today?" I said, "Thank you, Your Honor. I was served these papers to appear in front of this court."
And he was served those papers. You see how stupid he is? He was what, y'all? What's that S word they use? Serve. Service and serve is the same thing. When you go into a damn restaurant, you sit your ass down, you wait to get served, right? Right. So if you don't like the company that they keeping right now, you can take your ass up out of there. You can always refuse service. Is common fucking sense.
Today, and out of respect for this courtroom and the appreciation of this system, I appeared today. However, I would like to move.
Only things can appear, right? I showed you what the word appears mean, likenesness, right? Likeness, right? Seems to be. A man cannot appear, only a ghost can. So he's a thing, and he's acting like a thing because he's a ward of the court, right?
Move to dismiss. And she said, "On what grounds?" And I said, "I have a Chapter 13 bankruptcy that I filed 4 days ago," and then I read my case number. And she goes, "Jeremiah, a federal bankruptcy does not eliminate child support."
Now, go back to my past video. Bankruptcy does not eliminate child support. And what book did I get it out of? Huh? A banking book, right? Didn't I get that out of that? It'll stop some payments, but it ain't gonna eliminate it. It's not gonna eliminate it. You just heard it come out his mouth. This is what's gonna happen. You fools that wanna be with the legal dads and file bankruptcy, go right ahead. Take your stupid asses down there and do it. And for you fools who already did it, do it. Let them catch you buying up shit, so they put your ass in federal pen for lying. Talking about, oh, you buying this, you buying that.
I said, "Your Honor, I put all my arrears into that Chapter 13 bankruptcy, and the case number is this." And while I was saying the case number, she
And arrears is a loan, right? A secret loan, right? Dumb.
goes, "I heard what you said. I heard what the case number was. What do you want to do today?" And I just shut the fuck up. and I stayed quiet. And she asked me again, Jeremiah, what do you want to do today? And I picked up the piece of paper and I said, Your Honor, I filed a federal Chapter 13 bankruptcy. I have an automatic stay right here in my hand with the case number. And I shut the fuck up. She stayed quiet for a while. And she said, we're gonna reset this hearing for 2 months out.
Now, he said he wanted her to dismiss the case, and they reset. Who in their right mind want to keep going to their fucking courthouse? Huh? I don't go to their courtrooms. Stupid, man.
I demanded that it was dismissed, and it wasn't, so that's that.
He demanded. Look at him. Do he look like he can demand some shit? They just toying with this fool because they know he's stupid.
But at the same time, I'm here. I walked out. I owe a shitload of arrears. I didn't go to jail.
He who does not denies admits. They said I owe $23,000. Hell no, I don't owe you shit. I don't owe you a motherfucking thing for my own offspring. You feel me? No, that's my property. You can't tell me what the fuck I gotta pay for my property. It's like Walmart telling you you already paid for the shit. When you walk out the door, they call you again, tell me, hey man, you gotta keep paying that. Get the fuck out of here.
You should have seen all those people in there bitching up. So, that's what happened, guys. There's no more, there's no less. It's just what happened. The fact of the matter is, I'm right here, driving my truck. Free.
Yeah. Until when? 2 months. He gotta go back. He gotta take his stupid ass back to court. Nigga, you ain't free. You stupid. Free means when you ain't got to deal with them, when you ain't got to go to their courtroom. That's what free means, people.
They put you in a position in that courtroom to where you're going to fucking obey or you're going to fucking jail. That's it.
Now, he talked all this shit. Now he said he gonna obey or go to jail. How you gonna obey somebody with services and duties? Ain't that the other way around?
There's no two ways about it. If I went in there with no Chapter 13 and fucking popped off that fucking shit that I just did, oh, buddy. Fucking jail, easy. So, hey, you guys, there it is right there. That's a Chapter 13, and who knows, you know what? Let's let this evolve and sprout up and see what happens with it, because...
Yeah, we already let it evolve and sprout up because you's a dumbass. You's a dumbass. And you know what, people? Don't end up like this. Don't do the Chapter 13. You gonna be stupid. But anyway, shouts out to our man Osiris, Deception Stoppers. They doing it big. You know what I'm saying? All my brothers that you know, reached out to me. They doing it big also. They winning. You know, they already won because they know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? So just hit me up. Let me know. You got any questions? My energy ain't free because you know what? Freedom ain't free. Harriet Tubman didn't free the slaves for nothing. You see what I'm saying? This is a 4th of July, aka 4th of July special. Part 2 coming next week. So be looking out for New York Part 2 next week. And Hotel.